Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. So here I try to answer queries with regards to entrance examinations, with regards to admission to colleges, mainly related to management. That's my forte. So today's question is by Moin Sheikh. The question basically is that which chapters in Quant are important? Now, yes, there are many chapters in Quant, and I've realized that sometimes students are comfortable with some topics, sometimes students are not comfortable with some topics. That's one area. Second is sometimes for some specific topics are more in quantity in terms of the number of questions are more, some are less. So all these factors play an important role when deciding which chapters to focus on. Normally, I say don't try to leave any chapters for option because we don't know where the easy questions can come from. We normally can't categorize the chapters as easy or tough. Okay, coming to the basic, how do you decide? First, find out which topics you're comfortable with. I mean, it is possible that I may find a topic easy. So, if I may find a topic easy, I will focus on that. For example, I see a lot of students who are comfortable with geometry and a lot of students who are not. Okay. Now, what do I say? Should I solve geometry? Should I not? So, normally it is that a person who is not comfortable with geometry can look at, keeping less focus on geometry. But people who are good at geometry may have more focus on geometry. Even though geometry has a good weightage in the exam, I normally say that if you're not comfortable with geometry, at least do the basic part, okay, and don't go into too much of depth because that takes a longer time and becomes difficult to solve. Similarly, I mean, if you look at topics are concerned, the major weightage of late is for arithmetic topics. I mean, you have averages, work, time speed distance, ratio proportion. All those topics have more weightage nowadays as compared to maybe algebra or other topics, okay, or modern maths. So that means if I'm looking at the recent trends as such, then arithmetic should be given more focus area rather than algebra or modern mathematics. Because if you look at off late, the weightage on algebra and modern mathematics is comparatively lower as compared to arithmetic. Also, arithmetic, most of the students are normally comfortable with because they have done most of these topics in the school level. I mean, it is comparatively easier to understand. People find algebra difficult to understand because of the X factor, not able to understand the variable factor. There are students for that. Same way, modern maths is comparatively, at a higher level, which is there. So some people find it difficult. So in that case, if you're comfortable with arithmetic, I would say focus on arithmetic because that has a higher weightage also in the exam. But be careful, the weightage keeps changing. I remember there used to be a time when number system used to have a very high weightage. Of late, the weightage of number systems have gone down, the weightage for arithmetic has gone up, but we can never say what will be the weightage next year. It can vary, so be comfortable with at least the basics of every topic. But maybe you can focus on topics which have a higher weightage in the recent past or a topic which you're comfortable with. Hope that helps. Thank you.